Are you struggling to land clients on LinkedIn or maybe get the dream job that you wanted? Maybe your views are really, really low or non-existent completely, or you just don't know what to post on the platform to get the eyeballs that you want. If that sounds like you, watch this video, because I'm going to give you some top tips on how to optimize your profile to a point where actually you can do all of those things and get the customers and the clients that you want, or land the dream job that you want, because LinkedIn is the profile to do it on. I say this all the time. It blows my mind the more people don't use the platform, because there's nearly 1 billion users on there. These are all decision makers for the most part. They are labelled and filterable by their job titles, their locations, things that you just can't do on other platforms, yet people really struggle to remain consistent and utilise LinkedIn properly to its full effect. So I'm going to teach you right now exactly how to do it. But before we go any further, I really appreciate your time watching this video. As every small creator on this platform says, please do consider subscribing and liking and all that lovely stuff. I think we got like 1.3 thousand followers. I wish that was 1.3 million. Can you imagine? I can't, so there's no point in imagining it. But I also really love it when people reach out to me on LinkedIn. So do go to LinkedIn, links in the description along with some other links. Go to my profile, connect with me, tell me you came from LinkedIn, and I will always respond, always help if you have any questions. So go do that. Anyway, enough of me waffling. Let's get into the value of this video. So whether you're looking to find more clients, get work that you really want, generate more business for yourself, more money through the platform, whether you just want more eyeballs on your content to create your influence and your personal brand, LinkedIn is the place to do it. So these are some of my top tips that I could possibly give to someone at the early stages of really wanting to utilize LinkedIn properly. So if you implement what I'm going to say, you will get results. If you don't, or you half-arse it, you won't get results. So just like anything in business or life, if you really want to get the results that you want, I need you to take action. I need you to concentrate. I need you to actually listen to the things I'm saying and implement them. Do I have your yes? Yes? Okay. I mean it. Do it. First things first, let's just act as though you've done what every other YouTube video about LinkedIn has told you to do and you optimized your profile. You've got the profile image good, you've got the banner image good, okay, you're slowly building up connections. If you haven't watched my videos on all these things, please go and watch them because it all strings together so nicely. Let's presume that you have done all those things and you're now at the point where you want to build your network or get people to pay attention to you or see you as an authority in the space or land more clients, whatever it is you want to do. You need to be strategic in how you engage with people. So the first tip is engage. Now you need to go and find specific people in specific industries that have a level of influence. Okay, they have the clientele, for example, if you're going after business, that you would like to attract. Now, it's quite hard to build up a network of people yourself by just posting out content and hoping that those clientele that you would love would come to you. So the best way to do that is go and find them. What's the quickest way to find them? Find somebody who's doing what you want to do really good, and then go into their comments. Go into their posts and find the people that are commenting, because the people that are generally commenting are going to be the people that you want. Does that make sense? So again, if you want to get the people that you want, go and find the people doing what you want to do really well and go and steal their people. And when I say steal, I don't mean literally go and steal, but go into the comments section, see who's commenting. You know these people are active in that case, and go and add your thoughts, like their comments. Make an added comment onto their comments. Say, oh, I love that thought, because I'm doing this as well, da 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 da. I really agree with what you're saying, da 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 da. I love this point of view, da 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 da. Do you see what I'm saying with that? So almost hijack the people that you want to be's posts to get the perfect clients. It's just engagement, and it's a kind of an engagement hack. And then those people will go, oh, who's this person commenting and liking on my thing? They seem to do what I want. Okay, and they'll come over to your profile, and then they'll start to engage with you, they'll start to follow you, and you start building up the clientele that you really want. That's tip 1. Tip 2, if you are in that engagement area, and this is kind of linking on to tip 1 in a way, don't just like. So when you react to somebody's post who has a lot of reactions, a like kind of gets lost in the ether. What you want to do is actually react with sort of the applause emoji reaction, or the laughing one, or the love, the support. react with something more than just a like. The reason for this is twofold. One, it does help boost the algorithms of the post, which everyone's going to love, so your name is going to appear somewhere else. But also, it stands out from most of the people that are just scrolling through, just giving a simple like, and it just kind of bulks those together in the person's notifications. You've got 51 likes. But if someone reacts, you'll notice there's this individual notification, so-and-so reacted to your post. Okay, that's a reaction. It's not a like, it's a proper reaction. So it's kind of a tip 1.5, I guess, but just bear that in mind when you're engaging. Here's a fun statistic for you, which is going to make you even more motivated to post more to help you build your authority. Around 1%, and I am saying that correct, 1% of LinkedIn users post more than one post a week, which means most people in general get motivated, they set themselves up a LinkedIn profile, they get all hyped up, they're getting all this optimized, they post once or twice, don't get massive engagement and go, it's probably not for me actually, and then they just use it as this kind of lurker system. So they're still around. They are still very much around and able to engage and able to take messages and respond, but for the most part they are not proactively putting themselves out there. Now, why would this be an opportunity? Well, if 1% of almost 1 billion people are not actively posting, and you are actively utilizing the platform to its full extent, you are in the 1% club. That makes sense? So you're going to stand out compared to let's say, for example, Instagram. Most people set up an Instagram, and then most people are posting quite often on Instagram. It's probably, I don't know the numbers, but probably 60-70% of people that actually set up an Instagram are then sharing images. You have a lot of competition to stand out if you want your images to stand out and achieve some great reach. It's only 1% on LinkedIn. So if you're posting and you're posting valuable stuff and it's interesting to your target audience, you're such a minority that your content will inevitably do quite well. The organic reach is going to be really good, and therefore more people are likely to see it. So take advantage of the fact that only around 1% actually post more than once weekly, if at all, and be that 1%. Post a lot. Engage with people a lot. Use this platform as a primary source of generating leads and profile views. Good. Thanks. Now, I've spoken about tip 3 probably before, but it's so important that I'm going to probably say it in every single video I ever make. When you're thinking about content, because a lot of people don't know what to post, they're like, I don't actually know what to post. I've got all these ideas in my head, but I don't know what to post. What will people like? Value-driven content. What do I mean by value-driven content? What I mean is that your content is valuable to the people that are going to see it. The idea is you're sharing so much value that people go, flipping heck, this person's giving me this information for free. I am 100% going to follow this person. I am absolutely going to connect with this person. I'm probably going to send this person a message to say thank you or to ask them more about this subject because they're clearly happy to share so much value. So your content needs to be value driven. How do you define value driven content? Well, self-explanatory in as much as it's got to be valuable to your target audience, but to decide what that kind of content is, well, just think about their frequently asked questions. What would your target audience often ask? So for example, if you were coming to me and it was about LinkedIn, the common questions I get asked is how to optimize my profile. What's the most important part of my profile that I need to optimize, Jacob? So a frequently asked question, a value-driven content piece for me would be answering those questions. Well, the most important part, in my opinion, of your profile to make sure that anybody coming onto your profile has great impact and they feel what you're trying to get across and they understand who you are is your banner image. Make sure you have a fantastic banner image. So I'm giving value-driven content. I will then go into talking about a banner image and how you can make the most of that space and what's the best way to use it and all the different answers to that question that will give them real value. So when you're thinking about content going, I don't know what to flip and post, yes you do. You're just not thinking hard enough. What is it that your target audience often asks? Answer those questions. They will find that valuable. That is value-driven content. And finally in this one, just be personal, be real, and be authentic. You'd be surprised how many people are on this like fake it till you make it thing, or they're sharing stuff that's just not really them, but they think it's going to be good for their reach. No, people, especially on LinkedIn, are smart people. Okay, they can see right through that in a heartbeat. What they want to see is the real you, the authentic you, your journey, no matter what stage you are at. Share your journey, as Gary Vaynerchuk always says. Document and create. Document your journey into the field that you're in, okay? Share your thoughts, share your moments, your memories. Every part of the journey that you're trying to make or trying to show people, use that and document it and share that out to the world. People love authentic, real content because it's few and far between in the world right now. Again, with the fake it till you make it style thing. So just be super authentic. And if one piece of content doesn't suddenly blow up, don't think that you will never get anybody to see your content. Consistency is absolutely key, as with everything in business and in life. You can't just give up after the first post going, oh, I haven't gained 4,000 followers overnight. Oh my God, my post hasn't gone viral after 2 posts. Oh, why is no one doing business with me? I've been outreaching for a week. Be consistent, be authentic and be consistent. Share the real you with the world so people get to know who you are. That's the person they want to do business with. And then just be really consistent. That's the only way you'll achieve anything on this platform. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, do consider tentatively caressing the like button. Please leave me a comment on videos that you'd like to see in the future, because that's how I base my content. Anything you want to see, I am trying to provide value-driven content, remember? And that's the best way to do this. So thank you so much for being around. Thank you so much for subscribing and making this fun for me, for watching and doing all of those things that you do. And I'll catch you in another video.